Did you know this is how Chewbacca got his voice?
George thought that Chewbacca might be made up from recordings of dogs or maybe even bears. In addition, I recorded some lions and tigers and even some walruses. I would begin editing them together and making little phrases out of the noises. I would take the recordings and edit the best pieces. You know, the bear might make a sound that sounded angry, or they might make a sound that was cute, or a sound that sounded like a sentence, so wah, wah, wah kind of a sound.
Well, you said it, Chewie.